Hey Heartbreakers! So this is today's look. She's giving flapper and I love. And I just wanted to say massive thank you. As in like thank you to someone's grandma or whoever knitted this beautiful blanket and I just whipped it up together. Right, if you guys are actually interested in a tutorial, let me know. I'll drop it. Not that I'm very good at giving instructions like that, but I'm happy to show you how I put this together. So obviously you can see my butt crack. Ooh! Hold on. Yeah, so as I was saying, the butt crack is part of the look for today, so